Mom, Dad, I want to talk to you about something. It's not easy to say, but I need to tell you this. I've been thinking about it for a long time. I think it's time for me to move out because I want to live on my own. You you want to leave home? But why? Are you angry? Yes, Dad. I'm not angry. I'm not running away. I just feel I need to grow. I want to learn how to take care of myself, pay my bills, cook, clean, and manage everything like an adult. I want to see what I'm capable of. I see. Oh, wow, I knew this day would come, but it's different when you actually hear it. Well, your mother and we always saw you as our little boy, and now you're standing here ready to start a new chapter. I don't know what else to say.
I'm in shock. I didn't expect to hear something like that, son.
Daniel, I understand what you're feeling. Believe me, I remember the first time I moved out of my parents' house. I was just a bit older than you. I thought I knew everything. I thought I was ready for the world. But the truth is, it wasn't easy. There were days I was hungry because I didn't manage my money. Days I felt very alone. Days I wished someone was there to help me fix a light or make soup when I was sick. I know. I know it won't be easy, Dad. I don't expect it to be perfect, but I'm ready for the challenge. I've saved money. I've looked at the few small places, and I even wrote down all the things I'll need to pay each month. I just feel like it's time for me to learn, even if I make mistakes. That's good. I'm proud that you're planning it. That's more than what I did when I left. I had no plan, just pride. And pride doesn't pay rent, son. Let me tell you a few things, not to scare you, but to prepare you. Living alone teaches you a lot. Believe me, it teaches you about money, how fast it disappears when you're not careful. It teaches you about loneliness. Sometimes you'll miss the sound of people in the house, even the noise you used to complain about. It teaches you responsibility. Nobody will clean your room, remind you to take your medicine, or tell you to get enough sleep. You'll have to be your own voice. I understand. And that's why I want to do it. I want to learn all that now. Not when I'm 30 and still here. I really love you both so much, but I need this for me. I need to grow up, and I don't want to wait anymore. You already sound like a man, and I'm proud, very proud. But listen, Daniel, independence is not just freedom, it's also pressure. It's making decisions alone and living with the results. If you lose your job, you still have to pay rent. If you get sick, you still need to cook. That's the weight of freedom. I know that. I really thought about it. I'm not trying to escape anything. I just want to become the best version of myself. I believe living alone is the next step. Then you have our blessing. I won't lie to you. This breaks my heart a little. The house, this big house will feel empty without you. That's the truth. Your mother will cry every morning for a while. I know she doesn't like it. And I'll miss seeing your shoes at the door, your guitar in the corner, your voice in the hallway. But more than anything, I want I want to see you strong, independent, happy. That's the dream of every father. Thank you, Dad. That means so much to me. Seriously. I'll visit often, I promise. And I'll call if I ever feel lost or confused. You're my support. You better call. And not just when things go wrong. Also, call us when something goes right, too. Tell us about your victories, even the small ones, like cooking your first real meal or fixing your bathroom light. Deal. I'll tell you everything. I'll call you too much at the beginning. Call us as much as you want. Our job as parents doesn't stop just because you have a different address. You're still our son. You'll always be our boy.
Just don't forget to eat well and wash your clothes with cold water, not hot. I love you so much, my baby.
I love you too, Mom. And I promise I won't forget that. Thank you. Alright, let's help you look at those apartments. And when you're ready, we'll help you move. But you better let me check the plumbing, okay? No son of mine is living with leaky pipes. Everything will be okay, son. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.